On a quiet, sunlit beach, where the waves whispered secrets and the wind carried salty songs, there lived a tiny grain of sand named Suri. Compared to the endless ocean stretching beyond the horizon and the vast sky sparkling with stars, Suri was small, so small that it often felt invisible and unimportant. Day after day, Suri watched the mighty ocean tides rise and fall. The waves crashed against the shore with thunderous power, shaping cliffs and valleys, carving stories into the earth. Suri admired the ocean's strength and vastness and often wondered, what can a tiny grain like me possibly do in such a huge world? One warm evening, as the sun dipped low, casting shades of orange and pink across the sky, Suri overheard two seagulls perched high on a weathered driftwood log. "Look at the ocean," said one. "It moves the tides, nourishes life, and touches every shore on the planet. It is the heart of the world." The other seagull nodded and added, "And what about the grains of sand? They are just tiny specks, scattered and forgotten beneath it all." Suri's heart sank at their words. "Just a tiny speck," it whispered to the gentle breeze. But the breeze was kind that evening. It lifted Suri softly into the air and carried the grain across the sand dunes, higher than Suri had ever been before. As Suri saw, the tiny grain looked down and saw something wonderful. Each grain of sand, no matter how small, came together to create vast beaches where families played and lovers walked hand in hand. The soft, warm sand cushioned bare feet and formed castles and sculptures shaped by children's laughter. Without grains like Suri, there would be no soft shores, no homes for tiny crabs, no layers protecting the earth beneath. The wind gently set Suri down atop a small dune, surrounded by countless other grains. Together they formed hills and valleys, constantly changing with the tides and winds. From this new vantage point, Suri saw the ocean stretching endlessly, its waves shimmering under the moonlight. The sky above sparkled with countless stars, each one a burning light in the vast universe. That night, under the vast, mysterious sky, Suri had a powerful realization. Although a single grain might seem insignificant, together grains build entire worlds. Each grain plays a part in creating something magnificent and beautiful. The universe itself, vast and mysterious, was made up of countless small parts, all connected in ways too grand to understand fully. Like the stars in the sky, the ocean's waves, and the grains of sand beneath them, every small piece mattered. Suri learned that being small didn't mean being powerless. Inside every tiny grain lay the potential to be part of something much greater than itself, something infinite and awe-inspiring. From that moment on, Suri no longer felt alone or unimportant. The grain of sand embraced its place in the universe, proud to be part of the endless dance between earth, sea, and sky. Whenever the waves gently lapped the shore or the breeze whispered through the dunes, Suri knew deep in its core that even the smallest grain could hold the vastness of the universe within it. And in that truth, Suri found a deep peace and joy that stretched beyond the horizon.